Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we want to find first the derivative of capital F of x. So if we apply the formula in here, that should be like this. This one, that is about the chain rule of the derivative. Now, the next one, we know that g of x, that is about this one. So, about this one, we need to do first the derivative of g of x. This one, that is about number 1. So we have number 2. x to the power of 3, that is about 3x squared. Because we apply the formula in here. This is about the power rule of the derivative. So, and that is about number 3. So we have number 3 in here. Number 2, that is about 3 minus number 1 from here. And that's why we have 3x squared. So I will put this one gone here. Now, the next one, that is about this one. So we have this one in here. So we put 2x minus x to the power of 3 go in here. Because we just change the x into the new one. So we have like this. This one we have number 10x minus number 5x to the power of 3 minus number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.